This is my compost bin that I built with just wood, extra wood that I had laying around the yard, and different hinges I had in the garage and stuff like that, extra pieces from the greenhouse. So if you have compost that you want to put in, you come up, you can lift this up and it goes all the way up there, so you can just easily access the bin part here. It's all sealed up so critters can't get into compost. If you want to turn the compost, you can take this part here where the thing lifts up and the whole lid lifts up, so you can have access to easy turning, so you can get in there good with a pitchfork or whatnot. So that comes down. Still got to get a latch for that, but otherwise that's one component there. And then the other component is when you have finished compost at the bottom, you can come down here and lift this lid up, and so then you have the bottom part down there, and it's lined with chicken wire at the bottom to keep burrowing things out. So that's where you get the compost at the bottom. Anyways, this is my first foray into composting, and I wanted to have a tidy little bin to put it all in, so hopefully it works out.